How to fix WhatsApp notification not showing on mobile screen problem. For that, first of all, launch your WhatsApp application and make sure that you have logged into your account. Once you are on your WhatsApp, hit on the setting gear icon which is on the bottom right corner of your screen. Once you hit on that, you will see this interface. From here, tap on notification. Then make sure that all of the option is toggled on. Once you check that, go through the App Store. Then there you will see a searching bar. On the searching bar, search for WhatsApp. Then see if any update button is available or not. If there you see update now button, then simply hit on that and update your application. Once you do all of this, your issue will be solved. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.